a recipe for dinkacha laddu or a dry fruit laddu or healthy laddu. So I mean, dinka and healthy is like, it's combination. But yeah, today I'm gonna show you like what we need exactly for those. So we need grated coconut here. We need cashews, almond, jaggery. Make sure it's crushed. And grind the almond. Let's get that out. Almond. Okay, so we grind all the dry fruits, walnut, everything. And one more thing, we need flour. This is normal wheat flour. And now we need to take ghee. You can use any ghee. I use normal ghee. So you can just take a ghee. Take one pan. Make sure it should be hot enough, and then put the same amount of double the size of this bowl. Take the ghee and make sure once it's hot, put the flour. Okay. So let's make sure to add ghee. Once it's a little bit hot, we have to put this flour in this ghee, and we have to add this. Make sure to stir this. Make sure all flour is getting dissolved in this ghee. Now add almond. Coconut and dates, dried dates. Cashew. And walnut. Now once you add all these things, make sure you have to mix it all. And now put jaggery. Jaggery should be crushed. Make sure it's crushed. And mix it well. Make sure turn off the gas. You don't want to turn on the gas now, but it should be warm enough so that you can mix it well. Okay. You have to keep mixing this. It's almost done, all done. So it's not even taking more than 30 minutes to make it. It's good for everyday breakfast, as well as if you're going to gym everyday morning, just make one laddu and eat it.